Assalamu alaikum student. Today I am going to explain trichiasis. Our topic of discussion is trichiasis. I will explain the definition of trichiasis, causes of trichiasis, what are the clinical features of trichiasis, what are the complications of trichiasis, what is the treatment, what is pseudotrichiasis and dystrichiasis. First of all, what is the definition of trichiasis? Misdirection of eyelashes towards the globe is called as trichiasis. I think everyone out of you know very well the direction of eyelashes in our upper lid is upward, but direction of eyelashes in our lower lid is downward. This is normal eye, but in case of trichiasis, the direction of eyelashes in the upper lid will be downward towards the globe, and lashes in the lower lid will be upward towards the globe. This is trichiasis. The misdirection of eyelashes towards globe is called as trichiasis. Now, what are the causes of trichiasis? I have already explained one disease which is called as blepharitis. In case of blepharitis, there will be itching in the eyes. Because of that itching, patient start to rub his or her eyes. Because of that rubbing, lashes start to be misdirected. So blepharitis is one cause of trichiasis. Second one is eyelid margin. Because of any trauma, because of any accident, there will be injury in the eyelid, and because of that injury, eyelashes start to become misdirected. Fourth one is trachoma. Trachoma is a disease of eye that I will explain, and trachoma is also one of the cause of trichiasis. Fourth one is chemical burn. Because of burn of any chemical, trichiasis can also occur. 3 to 4 causes of trichiasis: blepharitis, lid margin, trachoma and chemical burn. 4 causes of trichiasis. Now, what are the clinical features of trichiasis? Now, we are going to explain clinical features of trichiasis. First of all, foreign body sensation. In this case, patient feels there is any particle in my eye. Patient will feel itching in the eyes. It's mean there will be foreign body sensation in the patient eyes. Second one is lacrimation. I have told you that if patient feels that there is itching in the eyes, there is feeling of some particle in the eyes, because of that itching, eyes start watering. So lacrimation starts in the eyes. Photophobia, this is also because of that itching. There will be allergy in the eye, there will be lacrimation in the eyes, and because of that itching, patient will not bear room light, patient will not bear the sunlight. It's mean photophobia also develop in case of trichiasis. Fourth one is conjunctival redness. I have already told you that in case of trichiasis, the eyelashes in the upper lid will be downward towards the globe, and eyelashes in the lower lid will be upward towards the globe. Then these eyelashes start to itch, start to rub the conjunctiva. Because of that rubbing, conjunctiva start to be red. Fifth one is corneal epithelial defect. As like I have told you that conjunctival redness same, when eyelashes will be upward in the lower lid and downward in the upper lid towards the conjunctiva, towards the cornea. As they rub the conjunctiva, in the same way they will start to rub the cornea. Because of rubbing, there can develop any defect. What type of defect? Corneal ulcer. Because of rubbing of misdirected eyelashes on the cornea, there can be corneal ulcer. I have told you, I have explained all the clinical features of trichiasis. Now I am going to explain what are the complications of trichiasis. There are only two complications of trichiasis. First one is conjunctivitis, second one is keratitis. Mostly this is the same thing that I explained. Because of rubbing of eyelashes on the conjunctiva, there will be swelling in the conjunctiva. This swelling is called as conjunctivitis. Because of rubbing of eyelashes on the on the cornea, there will be swelling in the cornea. That swelling is called as keratitis. Now, what is the treatment of trichiasis? What is the treatment of trichiasis? How we can treat trichiasis? First one is epilation with the help of forceps. We take a forceps and we will remove all the misdirected eyelashes. We will remove all the misdirected eyelashes. This is first treatment. Electrolysis. Here we will put we will take a little small device and we will apply electricity at the follicles, at the roots of eyelashes. Then it will damage the roots of eyelashes. This is called as trichiasis. Cryotherapy. Here we will apply -200 degrees centigrade to the roots of eyelashes with the help of cryoprobe. This probe will freeze the roots of eyelashes. In this way, with the help of cryotherapy, we can damage so many eyelashes at a time. Fourth one is organ laser. This is simple and painless procedure. With this laser we will also damage the misdirected eyelashes. Fifth one is contact lens. We will apply the contact lens to protect cornea from damaging, to protect cornea from developing of ulcer. This is a temporary treatment. And final is surgery. If there is trichiasis in our eyes and eyelashes are misdirected in a special area, not all the eye direction, only in one area, eyelashes are misdirected only in one area, what we will do, we will cut down this area of eyelid and we will put the sutures to this area. This is surgery. This is also one of the option. These two terms are not part of trichiasis, but these are differential diagnosis. What is pseudotrichiasis? Here eyelashes will not be misdirected. This develop in case of entropion. The definition of entropion: the eyelid start to turn inward. Because of turning of eyelid, then eyelashes start to touch the cornea and conjunctiva, then trichiasis develops. The treatment of this case is treatment of entropion. What is dystrichiasis? This is not trichiasis. In case there will be double layer of eyelash that starts to develop and that rub the eyelashes. In this case we will also remove the second or double layer of eyelashes. If you have any question, you can ask from me. Thank you so much.